In the rural areas of America, when disaster strikes, help can't wait hours to arrive. Midwest Road Rescue deploys a team before the disaster strikes. Comprised of trained storm spotters and first responders, their purpose is to be there moments after the storm hits. Saving time means saving lives. Tonight, the team is in hot pursuit of a supercell thunderstorm over Scott City, Kansas.
So we've got a rotating supercell over Scott City just to our south, and we just got a tornado indicator on Doppler radar. We've got very intense rotation just to the east of Scott City, which is right where we're looking there. So we decided to divert to the south. So to give you guys an update, we've got a tornado indicator as well as a severe damage indicator.
Damage indicators are radar estimated areas of potential damage caused by thunderstorm winds. Storm chasers and emergency responders can use these to guide them to potential damage areas.
Right in the circulation area, just southeast of Scott City. The circulation is moving northeast along 96 now, just east of town. We got a 3.25-inch diameter hail indicator on radar, and we're only about 8 miles away from 96.
Large hailstones indicate a strong updraft, which is one of the factors needed for a tornado. In order to hold up hailstones that large, the updraft has to be extremely strong.
We'll probably go east and see if we can check on some of these other small towns.
Seeing the damage indicators seem to be over empty fields, the team decided to check the low land areas for flooding before trying to get a visual of the potential tornado.
I'd like to walk there.
Yeah, there's your wall cloud straight ahead. It's going to be our center of rotation. I would head for Amy, which is going to be like 12 miles out, and then we'll see if this drops a tornado or not. Definitely see kind of a lowering there. Almost looks like a funnel. Look at that lowering ahead of us. It almost looks like a funnel in it. That's our rotation area.
The team has pulled over near Amy, Kansas, to look for signs of a developing tornado.
Still watching this one close. Right now we've just got a bunch of scud, which is free floating cloud underneath the wall cloud. But I'm looking for any signs of rotation. Doesn't look that strong to me at the moment. That's what I'm waiting to see, is if it continues to strengthen, do we see something? If it falls apart, we can take off, but it keeps trying to pull it back together.
Fortunately for the town of Amy, this storm has weakened. But rest assured, the team will be ready for the next one.